What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to get more sales on eBay, and specifically we're going to talk about buy it now compared to auction pricing, plus we're going to talk about if you should offer a best offer option. Should you do that? Let's talk about it. So I'm going to show you a couple different items. First one right here, it's a Dewalt Nail Gun. Okay, there's no real specific reason I'm showing you this. It's just because. All right. So if you look here, you can see buy it now, best offer. Okay, here's what I want you to understand. Here's what I do. Here's what I've been seeing is working extremely well. And I'm not the one that came up with this like plan or strategy. This was from a friend of mine who sells specifically only on eBay. So one of the things my friend told me was, number one, he does not ever do best offer pricing on new items. The reason why is he's competitively priced, just with everybody else whenever he lists a new item. Okay, that makes sense. Second thing, he only does buy it now. He does not do any auctions unless he's going to sell something that's vintage, something that's old, something that he has no clue about. Then he will do an auction style listing. Other than that, it's all buy it now. So 100% buy it now. That's exactly what I do. I never do any more auctions. I used to back in the day. Don't do it anymore. Okay? So for me, 100% all buy it now. Second thing, I'm only doing a best offer. Okay? I'm only offering or letting people submit a best offer if the item is used. That's it. If it's used, I'm going to do a best offer. If it's brand new, I'm going to be competitively priced with everybody else. Okay? Just like this here. Let me show you. So right here, buy it now, free shipping. That's exactly what I do for $169.99. Cool. That's exactly what I would do. So right here, brand new, buy it now, $164.99, free shipping. Same thing. That's exactly what I would do. This one down here, $245 or best offer, free shipping, but it's in brand new condition. This is not something that I would do. All right. So just be aware that you do not have to do that. This one that's pre-owned, they're doing bids, okay? And you can do bids, you can do whatever you want. In my opinion, I don't want to deal with this. I'd rather just sell my items, get done with it, okay? But again, that's just me. So if you want more sales and you are doing a lot of bids, you're doing a lot of auction style listings, try to flip it. You flip the script, change it up a little bit. Try to do something like buy it now, do best offer pricing. If you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to see a little shift. Okay. Now, again, I don't do any auction style listings, but from what I hear from a lot of people, they do some. But what they find out is you're going to get people that are going to bid on it and do all this stuff, and maybe they win. But what happens is they go and cancel it because they found something different. Okay. I don't want to deal with that. Okay. And I know, we're not even getting to that, but you get the point. This one right here, again, brand new, horrible picture. Okay, it's a dark picture. Again, dark picture. Make it nice. Okay, make it a nice picture. This one, it's not like a horrible picture. Okay, but you see what you get. There's a case. You get the nail gun. You get instructions. Cool. This one down here, you get a case, instructions, nail gun. It's very dark. This one's very dark, dirty. Clean it up. Okay, so that's just one tip. Let me show you another item right here. This one right here is for Adidas soccer cleats. Okay, here's what I want to show you about this one. Okay, because I noticed this one right off the bat. This one's pre-owned, $52 or best offer, and $8.15 shipping. For this one, I would change this up and I'd do free shipping and I'd add an extra $8 into that. Or I'd do free shipping, because when it's free shipping, you're going to see where it says, let's see, $5 shipping, free shipping. There it is. Free shipping. That in bold is a great selling point. When somebody sees, $71.95, buy it now, free shipping and free returns, 10% off. When they start to see all those little bonuses on top, that's where you're going to get the sale. You can get people to click on that just because of those few things. But that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, it's pre-owned, $52 or best offer. This is the key selling point. Whenever I'm looking at something and it's used, now on Amazon, you can't do that. You can't offer a best offer. Okay, you can't go and be like, you're asking $49. I'll give you $45. Can't do that. Here you can. Okay, that's the nice thing about eBay. That's one of the reasons I like eBay. Okay, it's one of the reasons I went back to eBay. It's because, you know, Amazon's fun, you can make some great money, but if you want to make more money, you're selling a lot of used items, selling stuff from thrift stores, garage sales, places like that, eBay really is the place to go. Now, I want to mention one other thing, and this is something that somebody asked me recently, was how do I know what my cutoff is for a best offer? So let's say I'm asking $100 for an item, and let's say it's a pair of shoes or something. I'm asking $100, and somebody offers me $80. Do you accept $80? Do you give them a counter offer? Do you decline it? Now, there's a few things I do. Number one, if the person has in their rating, if they have less than 10, I'm probably just going to decline it. That's just me. I want somebody that is a trusted buyer on eBay. So if they have over 10, you know, I'll give them a counter offer. I never just accept. I never do that. Okay, and I wouldn't expect anyone to as well. So if someone's asking $100 for an item and I send them an offer for $80, that's not technically lowballing, but it's a big $20 difference. If I send them an offer for $80, I expect them to come back at 95, 90, somewhere around there. Not 90 or 81. Okay, might as well just accept it there. But that's what I expect, and that's what I do. So I think you should do the same thing. Never just accept an offer. Always try to get as much as you possibly can. However, if the item costs you $20 and you're selling it for $100, and somebody sends you an offer for $80, maybe you're like, let's do $88. $88, pay for it now. You know, I ship it off today. Okay, you give them a little, entice them to give you that, to make them buy that product that day. They can't wait for the period, for whatever it is, to accept the offer. It's okay, buy it today, I'll send it today. So most people, whenever I do that, most people are like, okay, yes, okay, accept, or they just decline. Okay, so it's, you know, kind of goes both ways. But just know, when you entice them, you'll give them a little bit more of an incentive to buy it now through you, because you're going to do this. You're going to get more sales. Also, when you go and counter offer, okay, make sure that when you counter offer something, just because you're asking 100 and they offer you 80, you don't have to meet in the middle. Okay, you can be like, no, I want, you know, $98, $98.50. Okay, you know, whatever it is. Okay, you can do that. That's depending on how you want to run your business. You can do whatever you want. But just understand, if you pay $20 for something, they're willing to give you $80. Do you want to let that sale slip away simply because you want to be a little bit greedy and get that extra $8? Maybe, maybe not. In the beginning, I know for me personally, when I first started, if I was able to make $5 to $10 off an item, I'd sell. You want to offer me, you know, $15 less? Cool. All right, I'll take it. Because you got to build up that income. You got to build up that capital so you can go spend on something else. Again, this was over 10 years ago. Okay, it's not something I do now. But if somebody were to come to me and ask me, how can I build up my capital? I need more money, more spending money to be able to build my business. What should I do? I'd recommend you sell. Doesn't matter, even if you can make $5 to $10 for every single item, as long as it's only costing you $15 or less, you're still good. If it's costing you $100 and you're only going to make $5, I wouldn't do that, but you get the point, all right? So hopefully this video helped you out. Again, I'm just trying to get you guys into the idea that you can make a lot of money on eBay. I used to only do videos on Amazon FBA and talk about Amazon and how you can make money there, and I've coached a lot of people to do that successfully, but I've also kind of struggled with the fact that I wasn't pushing eBay that much. And a lot of people that couldn't get into Amazon, or they weren't ready for Amazon, they never got into eBay as well. So I don't want to miss that. I want you guys to get onto both. Get onto Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, wherever you need to go. Start selling stuff. Become a reseller. Start making that money. If you have questions or you're not sure what items to sell, there's a guide down in the description box below called 40 Profitable Items Every Reseller Should Know. Go get it. It's a $10 guide. Highly recommend it. It's one that I created myself. But again, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.